y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back at it again with another Ipsy video. If you're curious to see my other Ipsy videos, I will link them down below. I may make a playlist and just leave the playlist link down below. But yeah, today I am going to be doing another get ready with me, just like I've done with my other Ipsy videos. And every time I use an Ipsy product, I will stop and talk about it and tell y'all how much it retails for. If you don't know what Ipsy is, basically it is a subscription service with 3 different levels. There's my little rabbit, but it has 3 different levels. I have the cheapest one, so I only pay about $12 a month and I get 5 travel size products, which I think is perfect for me. I get it every single month. So yeah, let's just dive in. If you are not already, be sure you subscribe down below. I post a new video every Tuesday and Friday. Okay, so first things first, I want to show y'all this bag. I think it is so cute. It's definitely perfect for summer, and here it is. It's got a bunch of people in bathing suits laying on a towel, and it's got this blue little handle with Ipsy right there. I think it is so cute. And this is the packaging that you get in the mail, and then this bag is inside of it. Luckily for you guys, one of the products that I have to try is actually a CC cream. It is this Hey Honey Trick and Treat CC2 cream, and I'm really excited to try this because I want to buy the It CC cream because I hear so many people talk about it, so I'm excited to try this. Every time I get the price of these products, I get the price of the full-size product. This Hey Honey CC cream in the full size retails for about $38, and I'm just going to read a little bit about the product and also the brand, because that is something I like about Ipsy, is that it gives you a little bit of information about just the product, but then it also gives you information about the brand, so you can find new brands that you like. So it says, for days you want to sleep in, the CC cream is a one-step wonder for glowy, gorgeous skin. Basically, it says that it evens out your complexion, so it will fix discoloration issues, redness, or rosacea. And this is really good for me because you can't really see it a lot right now because I did just get out of the pool. So normally I have really red skin, so hopefully this will fix it. It's lightweight and hydrating. It's a female founded brand, love that. I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand maybe, and we'll do like that much. Dip my beauty blender in it. So far, I really like how it feels on my skin. I seriously hate the feeling of makeup, and that's really the main reason I don't wear makeup that often anymore. But I like this. I wish it wasn't $38 because I really like it so far. But I feel like it actually feels as creamy as it looks because it does have like a glowy. Okay, in the camera, it low-key kind of looks like paint. Maybe I just put too much. For concealer, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I've had it for forever. Still have yet to get another one. This is very glowy, which I like. This is what it looks like after I put my concealer on. In the mirror, it looks like it matches, but then in the camera, it doesn't look like it matches my neck. Maybe I just got a little sun today. No, yeah, it doesn't look like it matches me. That's okay. So for powder, Too Faced Peach Perfect. I use the same makeup products over and over again, so I feel like my makeup videos get a little annoying because I use the same products over and over again, but that is why I have Ipsy, to try more products. For bronzer, I've actually been using this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I used to use it a while ago, but realized that it was too dark for me. But recently I've been using it again, and I just can't go in heavy-handed. Usually I'd use this Kaleido Cosmetics blush that I actually got in another Ipsy bag. This is very, very glowy, but since this CC cream is super glowy, I'm going to use another blush that I got in an Ipsy bag, and it is this Pixie by Petra blush in the shade Beach Rose. Blush is honestly my favorite step in makeup, especially recently. So I'm always scared I'm gonna go a little too heavy-handed. Next for highlight, we have this Estate Do Me highlighter in the shade Lit. I think this is a stunning color. It's a nice gold color, perfect for summer. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows in my L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist Shape and Fill. It's literally like rubbing off, but I really like this. I've used this for so long, and I will definitely be repurchasing this when I need a new one. But I don't do anything crazy to my brows, especially with going for a natural look. So I just kind of color them in just a little bit. I wish my eyebrows had like a better shape to them. Like I wish I had thicker brows, but I don't, so I just have to work with what I have. Moving on to the eyes. Usually I would do like an eyeshadow or a light eyeliner, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to go right in with mascara, and I'm excited because this is another Ipsy product. Last month I actually got another mascara. I got the Benefit Roller Lash. I know everyone knows what that is. I got that in my Ipsy bag. This month the mascara that I got is the Ciate London Wonder Wand mascara. This retails for about $22, and this mascara is supposed to lengthen, volumize, curl, and define your lashes. There's supposed to be no flakes, no clumps, and no smudges. Usually my normal mascara is actually this L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is the dupe to Too Faced Better Than Sex, and I love this mascara so much, but it does smudge. Like towards the end of the day there will be mascara on my bottom lid. Hopefully this one doesn't smudge. First things first, let's curl our lashes and then do our mascara. The wand is just like my Lash Paradise, a nice little hourglass shape, so I feel like I'm going to like this. We'll just see how the formula works. I really like that so far. That's cute. I also got a new lash curler, so that probably has something to do with it too. But so far, I'm really liking this mascara. I kind of want to say I like it better than Benefit Roller Lash, but I really wanted to convince myself that I loved Roller Lash just because everyone else loves it. But this is the wand on Roller Lash. It's just like this, and then this is the new one. I'm liking this one a little more. So I'm just gonna have to keep trying both of them, but I really like this mascara. I really, really do. And next makeup product is actually another Ipsy product. It is a lipstick. It is this Real Her Girl Power Moisturizing Lipstick in the shade Deep Mauve. I think that's how you pronounce that word. This lipstick retails for $18. This packaging is really, really cute. The sun's doing weird things, but let me read y'all a little bit about this lipstick. This lipstick is creamy and moisturizing thanks to a blend of macadamia seed oil, shea butter, and aloe leaf extract, vegan and cruelty free. Each product comes with a self-affirmation to remind us every day that we are enough. I really like that. Oh, it also says girl power right there. How did I not see that before? That's really cute. Okay, so you open it up and you roll it. This is a really pretty shade. I always get nervous putting lipstick on when I have like a natural look going because I feel like lipstick makes it look more dramatic, but hopefully this doesn't. Okay, I will say this is such a pretty shade. I really like it. It's definitely very, very creamy, almost too creamy in the sense of as soon as I drink out of a straw or touch up against something, it's going to come off. But I really like it. It does feel really moisturizing, and like I said, I really love the shade. I feel like it's great for just like a casual look, or I can dress it up with like a fancy dress or something. I don't know, I like it. My next product is actually the last product I can talk about here, but it is this Cake Beauty Milk Made hand cream. This retails for about $6, and it is infused with oat milk concentrate and marshmallow root extract. This hand cream nourishes dry, cracked hands on the double. This rich formula also helps repair cuticles. It's lightweight and will absorb quickly into your skin, leaves your hands so soft and smooth. This heavy hydrator can double as a body lotion. Bonus points for the addictively sweet scent that reminds us of jelly donuts. All right, so first, let's smell it then. It does smell good. I don't really know how to show a hand cream, but we'll just put a little dabble on and rub it in. I'll have to try it out as a body cream later. It does smell really good. It honestly, it smells like sunscreen. Not gonna lie, it smells like sunscreen, but not in a terrible way. Like, I don't mind the scent, especially because it's summer and I probably already smell like sunscreen anyway. But yeah, it does seem really moisturizing. My next products are actually these face masks that I will try tonight, but they retail for about $3 each. A little bit about them though, they are loaded with fruit extract, which provides the skin with essential fatty acids it needs to be its happiest and its healthiest. It's extremely hydrating and won't clog your pores or feel thick or heavy. Apparently, these masks soothe redness and irritation and works as an inflammatory. So I will more than likely try them tonight, and I will insert those clips here. Using these masks, it says to apply the mask over a clean face, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, then remove the face mask and massage remaining serum into the skin. So I went ahead and washed my face. I didn't put any moisturizer on because I figured this would be enough. So I have two face masks. One is to hydrate your skin and one is to soothe your skin. I think I'm gonna do the hydrating one. It is the papaya face mask. So let's see. It's really messy. My 20-minute timer just went off, so I'm going to pull this off. My face feels really cool, like, and then I guess I just rub this into my skin. So far, my face feels really nice. Maybe I will give another update in maybe 20 minutes from now when the serum completely dries. But yeah, those are my 5 Ipsy products. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. I never showed this little paper that comes with it, but every month in your Ipsy bag you get a little piece of paper, and this one says make waves, and it reminds you to always wear SPF. But yeah, another bag that I really enjoy. If you've ever used any of these products or you're interested in trying them, definitely let me know down in the comments. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I post a new video every Tuesday and Friday, so thanks for watching.